Press the bell icon on our YouTube app and never miss another video from Spotboy.
They say confidence is a second name. I'm sitting with Sara Ali Khan. Who else?
Thank you, sir. Thank you for having me.
It's great that you are here with us, and it's just 2 days to go, Sara. And I must ask you the most obvious question: are you feeling nervous?
You know, sir, up until yesterday मैं बोल रही थी कि इतना एक्साइटमेंट है कि नर्वसनेस नहीं फील हो रहा, और बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ. नर्वसनेस एक्साइटमेंट दोनों है, लेकिन एक्साइटमेंट ज़्यादा है. लेकिन मैंने बहुत जल्दी बोल दिया बिकॉज नाउ दैट वी आर 2 days अवे, पूरी नर्वसनेस बाहर निकल रही है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई एम नर्वस. आई थिंक दैट यू नो व्हेनेवर यू आर अटैच्ड टू एनीथिंग, आप नर्वस होते हो. जब भी कोई भी एक चीज़ होती है जिसके बारे में आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा फीलिंग्स हैं, जैसे कि केदारनाथ मेरे लिए है, तो नर्वसनेस नेचुरली होता है. सो यस, आई एम वेरी नर्वस.
सो यू स्लीपिंग कि रात को सारा टाइम मॉम से बातें हो रही हैं?
अरे सर, नर्वसनेस के मारे तो ज़्यादा नींद नहीं आ रही है, एंग्जाइटी भी है. बट क्या है दैट आई फील दैट जब आप नर्वस होते हो और फिर आपको शूट करना पड़ता है, या जब आप नर्वस होते हो और फिर आपको डब करना पड़ता है, देन यू कैन यूज़ दैट नर्वसनेस. यू नो, नाउ आई एम डन, नाउ द वर्क इज़ ओवर. So now it's excitement and waiting for you people to watch it and hoping that you guys like it. So, you know, that's where I'm at mentally.
I had come to your house in shootout release and your mom was in it, and I think you were just running up and down the stairs. I've seen you as a little kid. It's a very happy moment for me. Your mom has seen the film? Your dad has seen the film?
No, they've seen, of course, the trailer, like I'm hoping most of you have. And mom has seen a few rushes. Mom has seen a little bit.
How come they've refrained abhi tak?
So I think that they both wanted to see a finished product.
Okay.
And they both want to see the way it's going to look, you know, finally. So isliye.
So tell me, you know, few years ago we heard that you are going to America for studies, and then you came down and did a few fashion shows. So what was happening? Were you not sure that you want to enter movies?
So I feel that going to America to study had nothing to do with being sure, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है एजुकेशन वैसे ही इम्पोर्टेंट होती है. आई थिंक फॉर यू एज अ पर्सन. तो वहाँ जाकर जब मैं रही तो मुझे लगता है मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है, बहुत कुछ अनुभव किया है, और दैट वाज इम्पोर्टेंट टू माई पर्सनल ग्रोथ एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, आई फील. सो आई डोंट थिंक दैट मी गोइंग टू स्टडी हैड एनीथिंग टू डू विद मी नॉट बीइंग श्योर अबाउट एक्टिंग. Having said that, I did want to do law in the middle. मुझे लगा था कि मैं जाके, मैं इतिहास पढ़ रही थी, तो मुझे लगा था कि शायद मैं वकालत कर लूँगी. फिर वहाँ जाकर अलग अलग जब विषय मैंने पढ़े, और फिर भी मुझे नाटक और अभिनय में सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. Then I knew for sure that this is my calling.
And you came home here and told your mom and dad?
I had a year, actually Columbia is a 4-year degree. तो 2 साल बाद ही मैंने मॉम को बोला, and I was 96 kgs at this time, the fat girl sitting on the bed crying and saying, "Mom, what I want to do is become an actor." और फिर उन्होंने कहा that you know then you need to lose weight, and it took me about a year and a half to lose that weight. लेकिन मैंने दो साल जो बाकी थे ग्रेजुएशन के, मैंने 1 साल में ख़त्म कर दिया ताकि मैं वापस आकर you know काम करना शुरू कर सकूं.
कैसे लूज किया वेट आपने? वहीं पर? वहीं
पर. मैं हमेशा से थोड़ी चबी थी, लेकिन वहाँ जाकर पहले 2 साल में बहुत मोटी हो गई, और फिर लास्ट ईयर मैंने सारा वेट वहीं लूज़ कर दिया. आई थिंक अमेरिका इज़ द प्लेस वेयर यू कैन रियली चूज़. जहाँ आपको पिज़्ज़ा मिलता है वहीं आपको प्रोटीन मिलता है, जहाँ आपको चॉकलेट मिलता है वहीं आपको सैलड मिलता है. सो दैट वाज इट. जो पहले मैंने वेट गेन वहाँ कर दिया था, इतना मतलब खा के, I worked out and you know I was just inculcated a certain amount of discipline.
So you started sending those pictures to your mom? Now?
I didn't actually.
Oh.
I didn't actually. This is an interesting question. September was the start of the semester. December is the end of the semester. So September to December itself, those 4 months, I lost quite a lot of weight. And I had not sent her images, and I refrained purposely from FaceTiming her. और वो कह रही हैं और कहती हैं that in December she recognized me at the airport because of my suitcases.
Oh.
क्योंकि मैं बहुत अलग लग रही थी. Obviously जाहिर सी बात है, 30 kgs down, you're going to look different. So she recognized the bags.
Major surprise for her.
Major surprise. I think as much of a shock, because पहली बार जब मैं आई थी वापस फूल कर, she was shocked. So then she was like, वही शौक को तुमने surprise में बदल दी. So that was that.
So how did it all start? ठीक है आप आ गए 30 kg lose करके, and then what happened? I mean.
And then that was it, sir. Then
you started meeting producers.
I had a couple of meetings. I did you know, a little bit of this that, but Kedarnath happened then about like 6-7 months after I came back, and I got a call from Sandeep Khosla saying that Gattu sir had reached out to him because Gattu sir wanted to see me. Or Kanika ma'am, our writer, and Gattu sir came to Sandeep's house, and it was Sandeep, myself, my mom, Gattu sir, and Kanika ma'am. And that's when Kanika narrated to me, and that's when I can say that everything changed for me.
You immediately said yes?
Sir, I immediately fell in love. Immediately. The world that she has tried to, not tried, we have tried,
yeah.
She has. The world that she has created, the characters, the landscape, the story, the dial. I mean, I couldn't imagine not doing this.
How much do you identify with this story? I mean, it's a love story, and you know, religion differences, and I think it's very relevant today. What is your opinion?
I totally agree, sir. I totally agree, because I think it's the kind of film, of course, whether it's Gattu sir, whether it's Kanika ma'am, whether it's me, whether it's Sushant, whether it's our DOP, Tushar sir, we all have things that we want you to take away from the film. But my favorite aspect of this film is आप जो चाहें आप इस पिक्चर से ले सकते हैं. एक ब्यूटीफुल लव स्टोरी, एक मासूम लड़की की कहानी, एक सुंदर वादियों का मतलब फील, जो आप चाहें इस पिक्चर में मुझे लगता है आपको मिलेगा. पूरी श्रद्धा से बनाई गई हैं, श्रद्धा पर आधारित है, प्यार से बनाई हैं, प्यार पर आधारित है, शिद्दत से बनाई हैं, शिद्दत पर आधारित है. So it's very interesting for me like that. This love story in particular is not just about romantic love, you know. It's love for your family, love in general, you know, like there is an element of spirituality to it. तो मुझे लगता है कि लव को भी बहुत ही अलग तरीके से ट्रीट किया गया है, जो कि मेरे हिसाब से बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है और नया है.
But you have friends around you, you have relatives around you where this has happened, religion difference, opposition has happened.
I mean, I don't really see, I'm a different person, sir. I think that because of the way that I have been brought up, I don't consider religion, ethnicity, class, ये सब मैं सोचती ही नहीं हूँ, तो मैं ज़्यादा गौर ही नहीं करती इन बातों पर.
That's good. Your mom is a very progressive person, so.
I think mom is progressive, father is progressive. I don't even like the word progressive. I think we're all different. You know, सबका देखने का नज़रिया होता है और उनका देखने का नज़रिया उनके लाइफ से इन्फ्लुएंस होता है. तो मैं नहीं मानती कि कोई भी प्रोग्रेसिव रिग्रेसिव ऐसे कुछ होता है. आप जैसे सोचते हैं सही है, आपके ज़िंदगी के मुताबिक जैसे मैं सोचती हूँ मुझे लगता है वो सही है.
But still sticking to that word progressive, how was it when you were growing up? Did you have rules and regulations? इतने बजे घर आना है,
Yes, of course.
कहाँ हो इस वक्त?
Of course, I think my mother is very particular about discipline. But having said that, she was also, you know, I have a very open equation with her, sir. तो चाहे पढ़ाई लिखाई के बारे में हो, या कभी मुझे लगे कि this guy is very hot, या कभी मुझे लगे कि आज मुझे बाहर जाना है. Mom is one person I've never really lied to. तो I think when you are open like that, तो पाबंदियाँ भी कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ी कम हो जाती हैं, बिकॉज आपको अगर आपकी माँ जानती हैं आप एग्जैक्टली कहाँ हैं, एग्जैक्टली किसके साथ हैं, तो फिर I mean if you're having an honest
so if you went out with a guy whom you found hot and for a date, for a coffee.
So I've had one boyfriend my whole life and very long ago, so I think that my mother is hoping that I'm going on dates. I think it's the other way around now.
Okay, you're just one boyfriend so far.
Long ago also कुछ नहीं है. So yeah, but in general, I think that if there was somebody that I wanted to, you know, spend time with and I was open, then of course I think she'd be okay with it. And more than that, I also feel that my mom is, you know, the only person in the world that I can trust definitely has my best interest at heart. So जब ऐसा होता है, then I think it's stupid for me not to be honest with her. And the same way, I think she fully trusts me. So I think it's a good situation like that.
How is it with Dad?
Dad and me are also very, very close. I think Dad and me also have a very little age gap. And even though we don't live together, उन्होंने कभी ऐसा feel नहीं होने दिया है मुझे. जब कभी उनकी ज़रूरत पड़ती है या कभी ज़रूरत नहीं भी पड़ती है, then he's always there, which is I think beautiful. और ऐसी कोई भी चीज़ नहीं है that I can't discuss with him. So touch wood, I think I have a good equation with both my parents.
But those years were tough when he was staying away. I mean,
he still is staying away, And like I said, I think that it's a combination of two things, three things
when you were
actually.
small, I'm trying to ask you that.
I think it's a combination of three things. Number one, he has never made me feel like he was away. He was not physically with me, but he is always there. Number two, सब ऐसा कहते हैं, so it's not going to be very impactful, but I know for a fact that I have the best mother in the world. उन्होंने कभी भी किसी भी प्रकार की कमी मुझे फील तक क्या, फील से दूर क्या होता है वो भी नहीं होने दिए कभी भी. And third, I think that there is an understanding that both my mother and my father are happier today, and much happier today. So I would rather have two happy homes than one unhappy home, जो मैं कह चुकी हूँ. तो अगर मेरे फादर मेरे लिए हैं, मेरी माँ मुझे कभी भी किसी भी बात की कमी फील नहीं होने दे रही है, और मैं पूरी तरह समझती हूँ और कुछ हद तक खुश भी हूँ कि मेरे पास दो खुश घर हैं एज अपोज टू वन रियली डिप्रेसिंग होम, तो फिर किस बात की.
It's great to see your equation with Kareena, with Taimur. I mean,
of course, sir, they're my father's family and they're my family, you know. So yeah, I mean, Taimur is my blood, and you know, Kareena is my father's wife, and she makes him so happy. So of course, zahir si baat hai that she makes me happy.
was it easy to develop those equations?
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course. I think that these things just, you know, when you know, he's my father. I know that he wakes up in the morning with a smile on his face because of Kareena. I know that he has something to look forward to because of Taimur. How can I not love these people?
I read something very interesting about your brother, and you know, he tells you not to put this picture, he judges you.
He does. He does. This is true.
So how is it? I want you to elaborate on this. This is something very interesting.
I think that Ibrahim is a very intelligent person, and he also knows me very well. So I think what that combination does is he is immediately very protective and very intelligent. तो उससे क्या होता है? He tells me that he keeps me in check. I think he's the more balanced one out of the two of us for sure. मुझसे छोटा है लेकिन कभी ऐसा feel नहीं होता. So you know, and I'm very close to him. He doesn't tell me. In fact, वो थोड़ा छुपा रुस्तम है. लेकिन मैं जो भी है मैं सीधा बोल देती हूँ.
So certain, you mean to say he doesn't like you in certain outfits, in certain.
No, it's not like that. But he has an honest opinion. He'll say, listen, you're looking fat. Or listen, this is not looking nice.
Oh.
You know. And in fact, वो तो हंसते मुझे कह भी रहा था that first though he was very proud of me when the trailer came out, because he knows that this is what I've always wanted to do. And he told me, he's like, अरे I'm so proud of you. और वो मुझे बचपन में क्या 2 साल तक मुझे fatty बुलाता था. तो suddenly from fatty to you inspire me, I was like, wow. I've made Ibrahim Ali Khan happy. Thank God. So
it's tough to please him.
It's quite tough. But you know, he's happy for me. But even then, you know, he's a very balanced kid, and he tells me things like, if your film works and you become a star, at home it's not like your rules will work. We'll still watch what I want half, what you want half.
Yeah.
We'll still go for dinner where I want half, where you want half. ऐसा नहीं है कि suddenly तू निकल पड़ेगी, please. So he keeps me in check also, which is just lovely. I mean,
also there are fights over the remote.
There are fights over everything. No, I'm joking. But yeah, of course, we have different tastes and all. But he's a great kid.
Coming back to cinema, sir, I must ask you, what kind of cinema do you really identify with? Now, these two movies are diametrically opposite. Coming to Simba also, where it's a commercial entertainer. But you know, today's youngsters have a very particular choice. They say, no, I don't identify with the kind of films which we saw when we were growing up in 70s and 80s. They have a very different choice. Is there anything particular that you are more closer to?
So I feel, and I really feel this way, that for me, acting is about versatility. Acting is about, the reason I want to hopefully continue acting if people like me and keep giving me the opportunity to, it's to explore various layers of my personality and various layers of life that I might not get to experience. And I want to do this in every kind of genre. I have now worked on Kedarnath and Simba, and I can't tell you which I prefer. And I don't think that there's any kind of cinema that I relate to more, or any kind of cinema that I don't relate to. You know, I've grown up idealizing Sri Devi. I don't think that you can touch her even if you tried 500 times. But I think that she did a Chandni, she did a Chalbaz, she did a Sadma, and she did them all so beautifully, you know. And that's my dream. You know, my dream is now, of course, not to be Sri Devi, because like I said, ये तो सपनों में भी नहीं हो सकता. लेकिन यही है कि मुझे सब करना है. तो मैं नहीं कह सकती that there's anything that I don't want to do. I want, you know, and I've said this before and I'll say it again. I want an Imtiaz Ali, a Sanjay Leela Bhansali, a David Dhawan, and Anurag Kashyap. I want to work with everybody and I don't want anybody to say that अरे ये तो ऐसा ही करती है, ऐसा नहीं करेगी. करेगी, अगर मौका देंगे और सीख देंगे तो करेगी, पूरी मेहनत तो करेगी, आगे तो audience.
This is what is confidence, what I introduce you as.
No, it's true, sir. I mean, that's what I'm saying. It's not just confidence because of course I need the opportunity and I need to learn and grow. So let's put it this way, करेगी नहीं, करना चाहती है और अगर इंशाल्लाह मौका मिले तो करेगी, ऐसा कह सकते हैं.
You're bursting to do a lot of roles, I can.
I'm bursting to do roles like now, like right now. अभी चली जाऊँ.
You spoke about Sridevi and that reminds me of Janvi, and these comparisons are really getting too much on the internet and everywhere. Do you think they are fair? Do you think they are inevitable?
Yes, I think they are inevitable because everybody has their own life and everybody has their own job. And while my job is to act and her job is to act without being derogatory and with no sarcasm intended, there are people whose job literally depends on making collages of mine and Janvi's and saying who looks better. There are people whose job literally depends on writing articles about whose trailer is better. So
there's one writer even judged you on how both of you came across in Karan Johar's show.
Of course. और ये जाहिर सी बात है, and I think it's okay. I think that everybody needs to understand their work and there needs to be mutual respect. And the thing is that me and Janvi, I think, are a little above getting affected by it. पहले जो 5-10 बार ये हुआ था, ये collages Instagram ने, हमने एक दूसरे को भेजा था हंसते हुए. अभी तो नहीं करते क्योंकि फिर हर रोज यही करते रहेंगे, which is not necessary. But I think that if you're comfortable in your skin, then it's really okay. And I know for a fact she is and I am.
Yeah.
तो फिर कौन सी बड़ी बात है? I mean, it's okay. It doesn't bother me.
You've seen Dhadak?
Yes, I've seen Dhadak.
And
I really liked it. And I think that she is very, very good in it. Ishan is also superb in it. And, you know, I saw Sairat as well. And I think it's just outstanding. Shashank sir has done an outstanding job. I loved Dhadak.
So you're sitting on the verge of, you know, 2 big movies and both the trailers have been appreciated, Sara. It's very difficult to choose at this point.
It's a dream come true, sir. And it's just, I mean, I have just God, Gattu sir and Rohit sir to thank because I can't believe that this is happening.
What do you do when you're in such a situation, when you're so happy in a room and the response to both the trailers, especially after Simba has, you know, just multiplied? What do you do? You start dancing? What do you do?
You just
कुछ तो impulsive reaction होगा.
हाँ, नाचती हूँ, गाती हूँ, बहुत बुरा गाती हूँ, लेकिन बहुत ही मज़े से गाती हूँ, मज़े करती हूँ अभी बस. And I'm having such a blast promoting. Like I'm so glad sitting here and talking to you about these films because this is it. यही तो सपना था मेरा और अभी हो रहा है, तो अभी इस बारे में बात करना, इसको पूरी तरह जीना, पूरी तरह internalize करना, बस वही चल रहा है सर.
But you expected both will come in the same month because earlier it was a
No, I didn't expect it at all.
So there was this production hassle in
so there was ups and downs and no one knew which was coming first or second, but like I said to you that, you know, if people like my work, I mean, being here is what I want to do. I aspire to stay here for as long as people will have me. तो मुझे ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि पहले कौन सा है, दूसरे कौन सा है, तीसरा
You didn't have a personal choice?
No, it didn't matter to me.
Mom and dad got ruffled?
With what?
With all that was happening around?
No, of course there was a little bit of worry.
Uncertainty.
Because they know how much Kedarnath means to me and meant to me.
Yeah.
And even for me, I can't pretend that I was only strong the whole time. There were days where I was worried कि अगर कुछ ऊपर नीचे हो गया, अगर मेरी पिक्चर नहीं complete हुई, तो फिर मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगेगा क्योंकि बहुत ही मेहनत की है और मेहनत से ज़्यादा बहुत ही लगन से काम किया है और बहुत ही feelings है इसकी वजह से मुझे, you know. No, I am enjoying and, you know, I didn't expect it to come about like this.
Yeah.
But I think everything that happens, you know, happens for a reason. And there was a little bit of worry because I'm very, very attached to Kedarnath. But I think all's well that ends well. And, you know, everybody...
That time you didn't even have Simba.
I didn't even have Simba.
Yeah.
तो जो भी होता है मुझे लगता है सर अच्छे के लिए होता है और मेरी तरफ से तो मैंने पूरी कोशिश की है. And I think God has been kind with everything that He's given me, and now I'm just hoping that audiences like it. And that's
Karan Johar as a mentor?
Of course.
Yes, that's a good answer, but little elaboration on it.
Of course he is. I mean, he's always there, and I think that he's nobody can do what he does. And whether it's Karan, should I wear these pants, or whether it's should I say this, you know, he's always just a phone call away. and he's known my mum for eons now. And yeah, that's what it is. I mean, Karan is somebody that I look up to personally and professionally. So yes, he is a mentor.
Thank you, Sarah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and I wish
Thank
you
you
all
so
the
much
best
for your
for
time.
Kedarnath
Thank
and Simba
you.
both.
Yes, 7th of December is Kedarnath and 28th of December is Simba, and please come watch both.
Thank you.
Thank you.